Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to grow your hair extremely long, strong and healthy by using onion. Onion is one of the best natural ingredients for your hair. It has highly beneficial qualities to strengthen your hair and to make them extremely long, strong and healthy. So today we are going to make the onion gel. This gel is highly effective in growing your hair really fast, and it will also help in reducing hair fall, hair loss and dandruff problem. This homemade onion gel is highly beneficial for those people who have short hair or who are suffering from hair loss or hair fall problem during this monsoon season. This onion gel will treat all your hair problems and will give you extremely long, strong and healthy hair with just few uses of this homemade hair gel. So to prepare this homemade onion hair gel, you firstly gonna need an onion. And we just have to grate this onion with the help of a grater. And now we are going to strain this grated onion, and here I am using a strainer to strain it, but you can also use a cheesecloth to strain this grated onion. And after straining the onion, your homemade onion juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let me tell you how to make the super effective onion gel. And to prepare it, we firstly have to take approx 2 tablespoons of onion juice in a clean bowl. After that, we are using vitamin E hair oil, but if you don't have this oil, then you can also use vitamin E capsules, or you can even use the olive oil. And here I am adding 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil in it. After that, we are going to need castor oil, and here I am adding 3 big tablespoons of castor oil in it, because castor oil is very good for strengthening and making your hair extremely long. So now after adding castor oil in it, now I'm going to mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth mixture. And once all these ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to combine all these ingredients and make them into a gel form consistency. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it. And after adding aloe vera gel, now I'm again mixing everything really well so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade onion hair gel is ready and it will look like this. This homemade onion gel is really effective if you want your hair extremely long, strong and healthy. This will also help in treating your hair fall and hair loss problem during this monsoon season. And if you have baldness or hair thinning problem, it will also treat that within no time, because it has all the natural and highly effective ingredients which works best in treating all kinds of hair problems. And the consistency of this hair gel should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much smooth, fluffy and creamy like I'm showing you here. So now I'm just transferring this homemade onion hair gel into this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this gel. And to store it, you just have to keep it at room temperature for up to 20 or 25 days. And the procedure to use this homemade hair gel is also very easy and simple. You just need to apply it all over your hair scalp as well as on your hair length. Just apply it nicely and evenly on your hair roots. And after applying it, just leave it for 1 or 2 hours, and after that just rinse it off with normal water and then shampoo and condition your hair as you normally do. And for best results, you have to use it twice or thrice in a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.